Morning students, unit number 2, the great outdoors, section C, conquering Mount Everest. So already we have finished section A and section B. Now we are moving on to the section C, that is the topic conquering Mount Everest. In this video we will be doing conquering Mount Everest. So students, we will be reading about Mount Everest, who was the first person to reach the summit of Mount Everest, and we'll also reading the challenges faced by mountaineers. So what is mountaineers? It is a sport or an activity climbing the mount, and it is adventurous sports. Lesson. Now what is Mount Everest? Mount Everest is a part of Himalayan and it is the tallest peak, 29,000 feet, 29,016 feet height. Now tell me, who was the first person to reach Mount Everest? So it was Tenzing Norgay. In this lesson we will be reading about Tenzing Norgay and Amand Hillary. Which of these do you think are adventure sports? Circle your choices and give reasons for them. So here you have to circle the adventurous sports and you have to give the reason. So bungee jumping, skydiving, rock climbing, rafting, parasailing. So some of the sports I have mentioned. Now you have to find which is the adventurous one. So I have find it out. You can see bungee jumping, skydiving, rock climbing, rafting, parasailing. So there are sports which is most adventurous one. Aditya was excited about the research he had done for the homework project. There were a lot of interesting pieces of information he had gathered and he wanted to quiz his classmates. So what Aditya was doing? Aditya was conducting the research and research was related to his homework project. So now he has collected lot of project and he was very excited to share this with friends. Some of the question. Tell me, Slevan, who was the first man to photograph on Everest? Quizzed Aditya next morning. So Aditya next morning, what he did, he was very excited. He asked his friend to tell him the name of the first person. So who was the first? Edmund Hillary, of course, was Selvan Quick's response. So his friend answered that it was Edmund Hillary. Oh, you lose a point there. It was Tenzing Norgay. Hillary and Norgay were the only two people at the peak, and Tenzing didn't know how to use the camera. So Hillary took Norgay's picture. So Aditya pointed out to his friend. Friend replied that it was Hillary. Aditya, you know, he had collected lot of information. Aditya told his friend that it was wrong. It was Tenzing Norgay. He was the first person to reach the Mount Everest. Actually, Tenzing Norgay and Hillary, they reached together. But what happened? That Tenzing didn't know how to use camera and take picture. And Hillary took Norgay's picture. On 29th May 1953 at 11:30 am, Tenzing Norgay and Hillary became the first individuals too. So on 29th May 1953 at 11:30 am, Tenzing Norgay and Amand Hillary became the first individual too. So here you can see the picture. This is an Tenzing Norgay and he's and Hillary. They have a oxygen over there and they're climbing the mountain and they were having a rope Can you see the oxygen here? And so they're wearing the different kinds of dress. Individual to reach the summit of highest mountain on earth, Mount Everest. Let us read more one of this famous pair, Tenzing Norgay. Tenzing Norgay was born in 1914 in Tibet. He later moved to Nepal and lived with the Sherpas. The Sherpas, who had moved from Tibet to Nepal hundreds of years ago, have lived in high mountains for many years. Not far from Tenzing adopted village rises the majestic Everest, the highest peak of the Himalayan range of mountains. It lies on the border between Nepal and Tibet. Mountaineers on climbing expeditions hired the Sherpas to carry supplies and to show them the way up the mountains. Owing to their experience of living in high mountains, Sherpas has proved to be excellent guides and mountaineers. So students, now what is this Sherpas? Sherpas is a tribe or a member of the Himalayan mountain, lived on the borders of the Nepal and Tibet. Sherpas also act like a guide and also helps people to climb mountain. Sherpas, they used to live in mountain and they have a skill of mountaineering, climbing, and they are very experienced. So what is summative? Summative is an highest point or a peak. Next, adopted. What is adopted? Taken up as one's own. Expeditions, journey for a purpose. So I told you that their Sherpas have experience of living in mountain because they're experiencing what the mountain. They take help from Sherpas, and what kind they help are taking with Sherpas. They use Sherpas as a guide. He is also help there by carrying loads and supplies. This was Sherpas act as an excellent guide. At the age of 18, Tenzing moved to Darjeeling in what is known as West Bengal now. He hoped to make his fortune carrying loads of supplies for mountaineering expeditions. 3 years later, he accompanied a survey team on an expedition to Mount Everest as a porter. In the next few years, Tenzing had taken part in more Everest expeditions than any other climber. So what is the meaning of fortune? It's an destiny.